animal company. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Hey, what is up, guys? Back here with another... Hey, guys, back here with another video, and it is Monke again, and we're here with Monkey, but he is in call, so...
Yo, what did you make?
Okay, I'm not gonna stop. Okay, we gotta...
Wait.
Okay, cut that out. Editor, cut that out.
You don't have an editor.
Be quiet. Because I'm the editor.
Oh!
I'm super laggy for no reason at all.
Can I have some bombs? We're gonna make a potion right quick. We're gonna make the Among Us potion right now, bro.
There's no potions! We're not in Yeast!
No, but look, come up here.
Banana. Damien, all my stuff!
Yeah, guys! We got pizza! Yeah!
Give me back. Bro, actually, bro, stop pouring out my stuff. I need this.
Yeah. I'll give you more stuff at the end. Here.
Banana.
Okay, yeah, what we're gonna do first?
Okay, guys, what we're gonna do for Damien, that voice. Stop it now. Okay, Damien. So let's go to the chicken maze. Damien, let's go to the chicken maze. Damien. Okay, I'm going to chicken maze without you. Where's Mr. Ogre? Ogre, where are you? Ogre! Ogre, get over here now. Before I tickle you. Oh my god. Yippee! Banana. Okay, he just told me to call. But what is this? Oh, I got a shredder. Okay, we're gonna have to put my rocket launcher back in my bag so I can hold this dang shredder. What the heck? He's there. He's right there. Oh my gosh. Move! Hold on. Mid, I'm coming.
Hi! Jamie, I'm coming right now. I just killed the ogre and I got shredded.
From a different school. Oh, he shocked me.
Bruh.
Mid, where are you?
You already said this in the other... You already said my name in the other video. What?
Dude, everyone just heard that. It hears everything from the game, dude. You know, I'm just gonna leave it in. Bro, where are you?
I'm right here, bro.
I'm
right here!
Damien, I'm gonna put your face in this.
Oh!
Banana.
Come here. I'm gonna buy
Damien-
the most expensive thing on here.
Damien, do you like my paper shredder? Like my paper shredder?
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna go see how much this sells for.
No, don't sell it, don't sell it.
Why?
You put stuff in it. Wait, open the shredder. Most expensive thing I got. Here, wait, come here. Come here. I'm gonna shred. Oh. Oh, I died.
Joe, just shred a bunch of sticks. Bro, where'd you leave? Guys, I think he died. By the way, that's his. Oh, no, he died. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to end this video early, so have a great rest of your day, guys. Actually, no, have a great rest of your day or night.
I hope you enjoyed the vid.
Like and sub, bye guys.